I'm going to talk about multiplying two two-digit numbers using standard algorithm. When I'm looking at my problem, I'm first focusing on the bottom numbers. Those are the two important numbers. I have a 1 and a 7. I know that I'm going to use my 7 first, and my 7 is first going to multiply with the 5. 7 times 5 equals 35. Our answer of 35 is two digits, so we need to decide if it can be split apart or if they will stay together. Since my 7 still needs to multiply with the 4, 35 will be split up. I'll put the 3 on the bottom plus 3 above the 4. Moving on to 7 times 4 is 28. If I look back at my problem, 7 times 4, and then above it is plus 3. So I'll add 3 to my answer. 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 plus 2 is 3. Since my 7 no longer needs to multiply with any more numbers up top, I can just write 31 in my answer. Since I'm done with 7, I'll turn it into a 0 and send it to its new home. I'm also going to get rid of this plus 3. Next, my bottom number that I'm focusing on is the 1. I'll first begin by doing 1 times 5 equals 5. I'll write that over here in my answer. 1 times 4 equals 4, which will go over here in my answer. Add everything up. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 3 plus 4 is 7.